Alright, so today we're going to be starting a rebuild on my new 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit project car. It's got some pretty good damage in the driver's side rear quarter panel and some other little stuff all around. So let's get into it and see what we got. Okay, so here it is. Up front, we only have a little bit of rust right here. The radiator is leaking. The battery was bad. I got it working, so we'll see how long that lasts. This window will not go up or down, and the switch is having problems, so I'm pretty sure it's the switch problem. Here on the rear quarter panel, we got some pretty good damage here. The door pillar isn't too bad, so that's nice. Probably replace this door. This is all bent up pretty good. Gonna need a new rear bumper. Some of the supports back here are messed up, so we'll see what's going on there when we start ripping it apart. The back door just malfunctioned, so it's not latching anymore. So I have to see what's going on there. A little bit of rust there also. Other than that, it's pretty good. This door doesn't quite line up, so I'm pretty sure this just needs to be adjusted. And then the interior is absolutely filthy, so we'll have to learn how to do some detailing. Let's start ripping this thing apart and see what we're dealing with. Alright, so as you can see, here's the original holes. They drilled out new ones. They also cut this out for the wiring connector. So now this seat is free to remove. I'm gonna pick it up and pull it off from that end, same as I did from the little one right here. So, there we go. And out goes that disgusting thing. Alright, well thanks for watching. I hope it was somewhat interesting, and hopefully the next ones will be a lot better and a bit longer. If you'd like to subscribe, that'd be a great encouragement to me and a big help.